Okay, ready?
I'm the last one to go.
Yeah. Skip.
Oh, my arm. Running to grass. Freaking arm hurts.
Should we go again? Shall we?
We should just walk around and be like,
Oh.
how you doing there, neighbor? I'm doing a push-up.
Can you do it on the unit?
I'm definitely not going to do that.
Okay, let's go.
I need a cartwheel, but only with my left arm. That's the one that hurts.
We're gonna get soaking wet. Your dad's gonna come. He's gonna be like, I don't want you getting sick. It's raindrops. Raindrops, raindrops. Okay, should I stop?
That is so
Should I stop the video?
That's my brother.
Should I stop the video?